Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Now that the holidays and all the festivities are over, it's time to start thinking about our spring garden. One way of getting your spring garden started is by growing indoors using a hydroponic system. These hydroponic plants will be transplanted outdoors in my spring garden. Another way of getting your spring garden seeds started in winter is to use seed starting trays. Direct sowing is by far my favorite way to sow seeds. Sow your seeds outdoors in prepared garden beds. Once the weather is consistently warm, also direct sowing outdoors will eliminate the need for transplanting those small seedlings. Start with things like lettuces, radishes, and carrots. Another fun and easy way to get your spring garden seeds started is by winter sowing. It's super fun, super easy to do. Winter sowing is something you can do now, like I'm doing. I recently shared a video of me winter sowing using milk jugs. Today I'm going to show you how I do it using those water bottles that many of us just toss into the trash. So I'm going through all of the herb seeds that I have acquired and just sitting here trying to figure out what it is that I want to winter sow right now. I have like 6 water bottles and an extra milk jug. So from all of these seeds that we're looking at, I have to figure out what I'm going to sow for the moment. But as we continue to collect water bottles and milk jugs, I'll probably be winter sowing over the next couple of months. But for today, we're getting started with our kitchen herb garden. Which herbs do you like to cook with? Let me know down in the comments. Herbs add tons of freshness and flavor to your meals. If you're not cooking with fresh herbs or dried herbs, definitely give it a try. Are you growing any of these herbs here? Would love to learn some of your tips and tricks on growing herbs. All right, I've got my apron. Let's get started. Fun fact, I've been wanting one of these soldering irons since forever. Finally picked up one from Amazon. I'm going to get this paper removed from the water bottles. Also, I need to puncture some holes at the bottom for drainage and make sure you leave that top off of your bottle. Removing that cap allows in rainwater so that your soil doesn't dry out. Okay, so these are the ones that I ended up with: the Valerian, St. John's wort, mugwort, thyme, and these, the Valerian, John's wort, and the mugwort, require cold stratification. They require cold stratification, which means winter sowing is perfect for that because it has time to sit outside in the cold. And lemongrass and the tarragon. Also decided to do the spicy globe basil and the Thai basil, and that will go inside the winter sowing milk jug. I will plant those together. These will go inside the water bottles. there you have it. If you don't have milk jugs, you can use plastic water bottles, or really any type of clear plastic bottle will do. All right, ELOC Nation, no excuses. I've just given you several ways to go ahead and get your spring 2025 garden started. Let's get it popping. You can grow indoors using a hydroponic system, or if you don't have a hydroponic system, grab a seed starting tray. If you don't have that, wait till it's warmer outside and direct sow your seeds. And if you have some milk jugs or water bottles or containers, let's get winter sowing. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.